How to make text big in Discord. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make text bigger in Discord. So let's get into it. So let's say we want to make this text bigger. What we will do is we'll put one space bar before and after, like so. And then what we want to do is we want to add two hashtags. And then what we want to do is want to add one hashtag on each side. Don't forget to put the space bar in between, and then you just simply hit enter. And then just simply hit enter. And as you can see, the text is bigger. Now, if I just simply type, so you can see this is the normal text, this is the bigger text. Now, let's say you want to make this text smaller. Then what you would do is you would repeat the process, and at the end you would put two hashtags and then spaces in between, and then hit enter. As you can see, it is smaller than the first one. If you want to make it even smaller, add more hashtags. Now, let's say you want to make this bold. What you would do, you would just simply put two asterisks, space, and then the text, and then just simply hit enter. And as you can see, the text is now bolder. So that is how you do it. That is how you make text bigger in Discord. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.